Okay, air filter replacement on a 2014 Kia Sportage. Now this is a plain vanilla Sportage. This is not a DX or anything like that, just straight 2014 Sportage. I believe air filter is the same for 2014 through 2016, but you might want to double check that for safety. Okay, so when you open the hood, so there's the front bumper, and then you'll look immediately to your right. You'll see that big air intake cover there. There's your battery. So this is a one-man filming crew here, so I'm gonna try to give the best angles possible. But that's the where your air intake, your cover is. So you're gonna have 4 clips. So the metal clip there, notice I've already removed those. You can just kind of flip those down with your fingers. So 2 there, and then cross over to the other side, 2 there. All right, flip those down. Then you will just raise this up. It doesn't, completely remove. You got some hoses there. So this is the dirty one that I took out. It's gonna go back in there like this. So has that little notch there. So the item, the STP item is SA10889. Make sure you get the correct one. Like the DX and some of those others, it's about 2 inches longer, so that will absolutely not fit. So make sure you get the correct part. So I'm gonna, pardon me while I adjust some things here. I'm going to remove the clean filter, the new filter from the box. Sorry about the camera movement. So it's going to go in just like this. Let's see, wait a minute. Did I do that right? Yeah, let's see, hold on. No. I'm doing it wrong. It's going to go in like this. So that's the way it's going to go in. Okay, so just like that. So I'm gonna do something with my phone here. May not look perfect, but I'll show you some other things here in just a second. So stand by. Okay, so I'm lifting the hood, inserting the air filter. Okay, it's gonna drop in just like that. Notice how it seats very well. Okay, and then I'll close the cover, just like that. So now our cover's closed. And then I'm gonna pop my clips back on. So here are my clips. Pop this one back on over. Sorry, I've stitched these together. I accidentally hit my button. Okay, so one clip is attached. Now my other clip over here. Okay. There's my other 2 clips over here. I need to attach those. Might have to do a little press down. I am, as a matter of fact. Stand by. Well, sometimes this happens. You gotta do a little adjusting. No big deal. Adjust things a little bit. Make sure it seats in there properly. This happens from time to time. Nothing on automotive work is ever perfect and flawless. You have to hold your mouth right sometimes. Attaching the clips on the far side. Well, come on now. Nothing's ever simple. Ever. Nothing's ever simple. Adjust and adjust and adjust and adjust and adjust. Okay. There we go. Nothing's ever simple. Push down a little bit. There we go. Okay. So 4 clips reattached. Notice there, 4 clips reattached on the cover. Have to adjust and push and adjust and push and things like that. So that's how you replace an air filter for a 2014 Kia Sportage. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you feel inclined to do so. Thank you.